Welcome to Yosemite National Park and our video series about everything that we did in this amazing place.
We went on a 5-day hiking, backpacking trip, starting and ending here in the valley. Come along, thanks for watching. Enjoy the vids!
Overwhelmed is not the word.
Hey.
So we got like 15 minutes, and then we're going to walk to Finsbury Park, and then we're going to get on a train. We're going to sit on it for a very long time, and then we're going to be at Heathrow, and then we are going to Yosemite. Oh, adventure. Okay.
Yeah, to Yosemite. We're going to Yosemite National Park in like 3 days. We've got to go to San Francisco first.
It's a hard life.
But we're back, baby.
Oh, we're back. Okay, bye.
Yeah, both of our bags have been kept very closely by the aircraft machines. Mine's gone behind, double checking. You lucky bugger.
There's just a lot to look through.
Yeah.
Oh, they were looking, it's just...
Good news, because Rick's got the tent poles, which is probably... I don't know why mine's... Mine's got food? I don't know.
It's going to be the bags of fuel. I'll hit the ski over. Oh, it's really good.
Cheers, babe. We're on the plane. My bag got flagged for the corkscrew we brought with us, which was an unnecessary addition to our bag. And a tub of tiger balm, which they told me wouldn't count as a liquid. Anyway, we're on the plane. We have got a couple of places in line for dinner, and then we'll be hopefully getting a really good night's sleep. It's like exactly the same shade of yellow. So we checked into our Hayes Valley Hotel and headed to Divisadero Street for a delicious meal. We ate rather than filmed.
And as it was Saturday night and our jet lag had yet to hit us, we couldn't resist going for a quick boogie before we headed to bed.
We have come to see a sunrise that we might not quite get to see. I gave me my glasses.
We're up early though.
Yeah.
It's 6:30.
It's 6:30. Folks wide awake, so we've got coffee and come to Alamo Square Park, where yesterday we saw the very end of the sunset. But this is east, so we thought maybe...
We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
These, by the way, are the Alamo Square painted ladies. Alamo Park, Alamo painted ladies, whatever. They're in the credits of which well-known and loved family TV program?
I don't know.
It's like you're meant to believe that they live in one of these, but they actually shot it somewhere else. And but these are in the credits.
No idea.
Full House, baby.
I've never seen that.
What?
Yeah.
Happy boy. Look at his pile of food. Oh, that just focused. My burrito has gone for a swim.
Oh, yeah.
Fed, caffeinated. Unfortunately, not touristy erranding, but exciting errands.
We're going to Trader Joe's, we're going to get food and everything sorted out for Yosemite, and then we're going to head on to REI, and we're going to pick up all the stuff that we pre-ordered, so we didn't have to bring it over.
You always hear about REI when you follow the type of content we follow on the internet. So we're going to go see what that's like.
So the stuff that we're going to get in REI, the features and the specifications are much
better bang for buck.
Yeah.
0 degrees Celsius sleeping bags, $60. I couldn't find anything for less than a couple of £100 in the UK.
But Trader Joe's, we'll see you in there. We didn't take any video inside Trader Joe's. We were just too busy. We've got like $100 worth of food, but that includes some luxury items. It was actually really busy in there as well, so filming was a bit difficult.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're heading to REI. We're going to be a little bit early because we're eager beavers to get the most out of today.
We will try and
film,
actually take video
we will do,
of us losing our minds in REI.
Yeah, it looks legit.
Ferg just freaked me out that it might be like a tiny shop that's pickup only. We are going to be the first people.
Yeah. Zero money, but I'm going to spend negative. I'm going to spend other people's money. I'm going to spend Steph's money.
Okay, see you in there. Failed to take a lot of footage because we got so overwhelmed. We just spent more money than I think I've ever spent in a single shop
Yeah.
in my life.
We're going to go home and work out what we can return.
Yeah, we might have gone a bit overboard. Okay, welcome to us having a mild panic about everything. We bought a bunch of food at Trader Joe's. We went to REI. We spent an hour and a half at REI. These are the sleeping bags we've bought. Actually, kind of amazing. Yeah, okay. And it just keeps going down as long as you have something to push it. Yeah. Okay, so this compared to this, they're 25 Fahrenheit, which is 0 degrees Celsius.
10? Oh yeah. Okay, so for that big bag is in there, and that's the tent in here as well. So I've still got room.
Okay. Good news.
I think that was the thing I was most stressing about. Like, because seriously, the bag came out and it was like a small child.
Yeah,
like,
we thought it was 2 bags in one, and then it was, no, there's 2 of those.
We got so much stuff. We were just like, there are a couple more bucks. Also, doesn't matter how many times we told each other. Tax! It's like 20% tax on everything. So we were like, it's like 250
the
bucks.
REI
It's
brand
actually
was
300.
amazing turn of events. The stuff's actually in the bags. Ferg's bag is very full because he's got all of the tent, which potentially I should have some of the tent. We need to see how big the bear canister is.
Yeah.
Because we have to rent. We're renting bear canisters in Yosemite Valley. Got my bag on. Oh, you put the food on top. I haven't put my food on top. Can you see us? Yeah, you can.
Shit. What have we done?
I'm gonna be so jealous of your man bag. I can see it now.
After finally smashing all of our stuff into those backpacks, we headed out into this glorious San Francisco sunshine, picked up some bay bikes and headed to Pier 39 to make friends with some sea lions. And as it would turn out, half of San Francisco.
What are you eating, Fergo?
Cookies. First one was amazing. First one was oatmeal and raisins.
But posh.
This is an M&M one, pretty good.
Embracing our inner tourist. Also, we're hungry.
It really is true what they say.
San Francisco is full of hills. We're walking to the bottom of Lombard Street and we're going up a hill to get to the bottom of it. Okay, up we go. Then we made our way to the iconic City Lights bookstore, which I was pretty excited about, as you can hear. They were the original publisher of the then controversial Howl by Allen Ginsberg and others of the Beat generation, including Jack Kerouac. Ferg bought a copy of Kerouac's Dharma Bums, and then we headed off on a much-needed caffeine mission. Ferg is really struggling. I really hope this caffeine revives you. Woo! How's that?
This is a railway train to San Francisco International Airport.
Stunning. This shop has literally everything.
What is that? I mean, it's a brick with a string around it.
Brick.
It's a
Yeah.
brick with a string around it.
It's a brick with a string on it. VHS videos? All sorts of interesting stuff. Drunky?
Surfboard.
Save yourself a trip.
With surfboard.
With surfboard. Genius. This is Spot on. Go. To the toilet. And in the cubicles, they're playing David Attenborough audiobook.
Yeah. Spicy?
It's so good.
Now we're gonna try.
It's a spicy mezcal margarita. I've made excellent life choices today. This is one of many.
That's fucking spicy. No.
It's good though. We forgot to show you the tacos, but these are the it's really good.
Got
Accidental choice for dinner.
yeah. I'm.
Exceeded expectations.
This is amazing. I'm so tired though.
Yeah, it takes really strong. Go for it. We're on the bus. We are eating our hiking snacks before we even get to the park. What are you saying? What are you telling me?
I don't care what it costs. I'm getting a Yosemite t-shirt.
We're on another bus. 28 miles. 17-year-old rock slide that whenever they clear it, it just slides more. So the road used to be on that side and now it's on. Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe to catch our next video in this Yosemite series, which will be coming to you in 2 weeks' time.
Here's some bloopers.
Testing. Excuse me. Okay, this is done now.